In this video, I'll share exactly how much to charge as a dietitian. I'm Libby Rothschild, founder of Dietitian Boss. In today's video, I want to share with you how to prevent burnout by charging appropriately for your time and for your worth in the field of nutrition and dietetics. Now, if you've been wondering what to charge and how to package your services, it's understandable because school didn't teach us this kind of stuff. We have to learn. It's a great opportunity for you to learn. It's just a mindset switch, right? Where you have to think about what makes sense and how you can create a business that will be sustainable, serve your client, but also meet your bottom line as a business owner. Pricing can be a very complex topic, and there are many pricing strategies that us dietitians are just unaware of. And the work I do in the trademarked method, the Dietitian Boss method, shows you pricing strategies for private coaching and for group programming. Now, I do also help with digital products such as courses, but for purposes of today's video, we're going to be talking about programming in terms of group and privates. The first question is, should I do free work? Maybe you're starting out, or maybe you've got a friend and family or something of that nature, and the answer is always no. So when people pay, they're going to pay attention. Even if your fee is low at first when you're starting out, right, to get to that, maybe you've got a certain metric of the amount of people you want to help at a certain price point that's lower before you increase it, which is what I teach. It's better to charge something than nothing, and I don't suggest discounting. If anything, charge a lower rate, as I said, before you hit your first 5 or 8 clients. I do have a framework for your first 8 clients, so you're able to get comfortable selling at a certain price, but you're not giving the work away for free. Remember, we have to value ourselves and our services, and if we don't, our potential clients won't. You want to increase with demand, so keep in mind that you're a lower price point at first, and as more people are interested, your price point's going to increase. So you're probably wondering, when should I raise my rates? That's a completely reasonable question, especially because I'm talking about charging at a lower or a certain rate before you increase to a higher rate, both in terms of group coaching and private coaching. So this works for both different models. So the answer is that I've got a framework in the Dietitian Boss method where the first 8 clients are going to be charged at a lower rate, and then after the 9th client, you're going to progress to a higher price point. So you've got a tiered pricing progression. So you're not super worried about a high price point. You're getting the ball rolling, working on the sales skills and all the other components that you need to focus on when getting your virtual business up and running and leveraging online marketing like social media to attract clients. So I recommend those first 8 clients $250 for a 6-week group program. Now you're probably thinking that's low, and it is. It is low. If you're feeling super confident and you've got it going on and your sales skills are a slam dunk and your marketing is on point, you can go ahead and hike it up. We're going to talk about a higher price point as we progress in today's video. For most of you, that's appropriate. And how do I know? I've tested it with the market. I've been doing this for 4 years, working with dietitians and testing different pricing for my framework. And it's taken me a while to land on $250 for your first 8 in a group program. And the reason is that many of you are not comfortable selling. You're not comfortable stating your price and asking for payment over the phone. And because of that, if we decrease the barrier to enter, meaning we make it more manageable for you to offer something that people are willing to receive and say yes to, it's going to help you get a quick win. And nobody remembers that their first 8 clients were $250. When you look back at your journey, you're going to say, oh, I got started and I got the ball rolling fairly fast. And that's what matters, because remember, we increase the price point as demand increases. And the whole point is to increase demand and not get too hung up on offering a lower price point at first. Again, this is a group program, so you're not offering $250 for private coaching. You're offering $250 for a 6-week online group program. So if you think about it, you can make your first $2,000 with 8 clients. That's simple math. 8 times 250 equals 2,000. And for some of us, that can take you 30, 60, 90 days to be able to acquire those customers. Now, again, you're going to have to work on the marketing piece, and we'll talk about that in a different video, because where are they going to find you? But then you want to package the offer and sell into it, which are all part of my framework. And we want to make this as easy as possible for you so that you can get up and running. $2,000 for 8 clients. It's not so bad. And then again, we're going to increase that price point because we just want to get the ball rolling. The whole point is to get you with some momentum and some quick wins under your belt. You're probably wondering, how much do I charge for group coaching? Maybe down the line after you've progressed from the $250 price point. So I want to share that group programming can be a premium offer, and it is for many of our clients. It might not start out as premium as you're ramping up. and getting the ball rolling, but it can turn into premium if you want it to. What a lot of our clients do is they'll offer the group programming and they'll have an upsell to private coaching, and the private coaching will be a higher price point. Now, if you don't want to offer private coaching for various reasons, you want to prevent burnout, you're building this on the side, you just want to focus on groups, or maybe you do want to do private, but you want to keep it limited to 3 or 5 clients at a time, you can design this structure the way you want. This is your private practice. You can build it and create it and run it how you intend to do so. That being said, y'all still come to me and ask for structure, and this is what I've seen works, is having a group program and then offering limited amounts of private clients for a higher price point. That's a very typical model many of our clients enjoy, and if not long-term, they can offer it limited. You can put a wait list on your private clients, or you can say you're only taking a certain amount at a certain time, and there's a lot of benefits from offering private coaching and then learning if you enjoy that and you want to offer more slots, increase the price point, or like some of our clients, hire dietitians under you to offer privates for your clients as you continue to grow and scale your business. When you offer an upsell, meaning you have a group program and then you're offering private as something that they can upsell to or they can join instead of the group, you're giving them 2 options. One of them would be community-based and one private. It's going to help them have a variety of offers for different kinds of learning styles and different ways that people like to process information and get support. So if they have access to a community and limited access to you in a group, and then they have more access to you, that's going to appeal to more different types of people or people at different stages, because people might want to start in a group program and say, hey, this is great. I got what I needed, or I felt like I got a jump start, and now I really want to dive in with you one-on-one, and I'm willing to pay that higher price point. So again, lots of benefits to having that simple upsell in your programming. If you're wondering how much groups cost, I did mention to you that $250 is for beginners. If you've never sold before, or if you're brand new to online and you're feeling like you just want to get the ball rolling, because this first 8 can get you about $2,000. What I see is average for practitioners who've ramped up and they've already progressed their price point, or they've got more experience and confidence in the field, they're offering about $1,500 for a 6-week program. That's the low to average side for what group programs cost. And that's part of my price progression framework. I have you go from $250 all the way up to over $1,000. And so $1,500 can feel really good. And again, that's what competitors are offering as well. Keep in mind that some practitioners are going to want to appeal to lower price points, where others are going to be considered high-end services. And $1,500 for group programming, I would say, is smack in the middle. That being said, many of our clients offer group programming for anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 for a 6-week program. If your jaw dropped, you want to pick it back up. And if you're thinking that's crazy, keep in mind, the reason I mentioned $250 at the top of this call is because when you offer a lower price to get the ball rolling and you see the results and the demand increases because of your marketing, you absolutely have the opportunity to increase your price point. If you want to position yourself as more of a high-priced practitioner, you can do that. Your peers have done it successfully. It all depends on how you want to design your business. Giving that high-ticket experience has a lot of benefits if you're charging anywhere north of the $5,000 to $10,000 range, because when people pay, they pay attention and they're invested. And so offering a program where you're able to go all the way up from 5 to 10, even beyond. I've definitely seen the higher end of that. That would be a video for another day. If you're interested in hearing about very high-priced programming, comment below and I can definitely do another video. But if we're talking on the $5,000 to $10,000 range for a group program in your niche, I just want to comfort you and let you know that it's more possible than you think, and it becomes more tangible once you start to just offer anything and then increase your price with demand. In closing, if you're new and you haven't done this before and you might be freaking out or overwhelmed, $250 for a 6-week online group program is going to be a great way to get started. Now, if you've ramped up or you want to know what lies ahead, because many dietitians like an outline, right, of what their future holds, right? Because we're systems based, our personality is very compliance oriented, and we want to have our boxes ticked and our I's dotted and our T's crossed. That's us. That's who dietitians are. You can offer up to $10,000 or more in an online program. You can absolutely do that. I've got clients who do that, and they've been on our podcast and I've shared their stories before. It depends on how you want to position yourself in the market, and that could be a more detailed conversation about your overall product offers and how the experience is for your client or potential client throughout your funnel and your product offerings. So before we get complicated, because I want you to focus on what's immediately important, And the whole concept of today is charge something, increase your price of demand, and start with a number that you feel comfortable enough being able to communicate with conviction so that the other person on the sales call will feel like they can say yes comfortably. That doesn't mean everybody will, but keep in mind that it's easier to sell $250 than it is 10 grand. And how do you get those skills? Well, you get them with practice. And so giving yourself an opportunity to progress through my framework is a fantastic way to do that. And that's how our clients have been able to succeed and progress in their businesses. I'd love to help you continue to grow your practice in 2022. If you'd like to learn how to get more clients, right? Because how are you going to increase your pricing if you don't have the demand? I want you to check out this next video I'm going to share with you. And the tips I have are intended to help you start and operate a private practice. The mission here at Dietitian Boss is disrupting the field of dietetics by creating more private practice operators. And I really hope that you're finding benefits from our videos.